So hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Facing this issue requires a slightly heavier heart than the previous ones. Well, when I say the previous ones, I'm talking about uh, problems including FaceApp, problems including the server, including the option, and all of this. So, FaceApp has officially and permanently removed the classic face swap feature. It's just like the video edition part. So according to an official statement from the company in May 2023, the feature was removed due to concerns over potential misuse, such as creating deepfakes, violating privacy rights. The company stated that the feature no longer aligns with their development concept and has not indicated any plans to reinstate it. So if you are looking for the button to swap your face onto a celebrity's body, you won't find this tool in the official app anymore. However, the technology still exists elsewhere, and the idea will never die. So in today's mod tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually fix swap missing. Generally, because I can't just say it's FaceApp, since it doesn't exist there anymore. So first and first, you have to understand the remaining face tools. FaceApp still has gender swap, has chat filters, so these are different from a custom face swap. If you are trying to swap your face with your friend's face, the app will not do that anymore, but I would say automatically. You can use a third-party face swap app, or you can do it yourself by using the eraser tool. Basically, try to delete the face of the person number A, or I mean A, or number 1. Then go and edit the face of the person number B. You can actually put them together and get yourself a face swap. But let's say you are too lazy, you don't want to do that. You can go ahead and use Pixelfox AI on browser, since it's browser based. Go there, upload both of the pictures or videos whatsoever, and the AI would do it for you. So that's it, thank you all for watching, I'll see you all in the next video.